It is another day. My mama's here. My mom's here. Mama's not gonna leave.
You get 2 turn break, I'm gonna roast it when it's so cold.
Yeah.
Talk to so for me.
Bye. Love you. See you soon.
Who are my phone? Refugees.
Yeah.
Refugees.
Bye, Leash. Love you. I'll call you later. Bye. Love you. Bye.
Your kid white, sir.
Dry. Listen to this. Wait, let me do this for fish. Okay, done.
Why was that song go say again? In getting kakajom. And he say, oh, Zion, Rastafari. Girl, that's Cuba.
Why?
What's that here in there, man? In getting Germany. In the beating Jom.
A madman.
He said yesterday, when in Thursday, when he go a funeral.
Mama, you not talk truth there.
He said when he go in the front, try nice suit and sit down. When he hear me say, even say, a food dog under the... a food dog, if dog on the drum and I bench on 9 foot. Not church.
Make it dark, Tan.
He said, hell, we get him out.
Guys, my mama's leaving.
I have something that I will tell me.
You're gonna see me again, mama. You're gonna see me again quick and fast. This month's almost over. All right, mama. Bye. I love you. Give me a hug. Mama, you don't want to be in this bold and beautiful mix up. That's true.
He in there for they soon call me, and they call me.
Alright.
Bye, I love you. If you see Bye, mama, I love you. Tell Kamisha take a picture of you. No, what you're gonna wear to wedding? Oh.
Ask mommy no.
How does mom know? How does mom know? Mom said, how does she know? Oh. All right. Bye. I love you. Yo. Mom's roasting breadfruit. Where'd you get this coal from?
When me the call you all
Nice,
call
mama.
you for a when? You call them around 100 times today. Alright, go ahead.
Hello.
Where number fine food?
Eh?
Where number?
Yes. 75.
040.
Yeah.
See that? I call you from morning to
Yes, I
last
can see
year.
it.
Let me call you. I want to play till 1 o'clock.
13.
Fifo, you look good.
What?
13 Kawaki.
What a dog.
God, man, see the
Wait
video.
now.
You must say no.
Take some take
Take
care.
a look. I will take one. Break up for money.
Because silent.
I have no idea how to.
You understand?
No.
No things. I got
Good. You too.
Yeah.
You look good. What's happening?
Yeah. Where are you from?
Yes? What do you have to give me?
I don't got no man. Me big, me the big.
Whose
I think I'm going to me the big.
birthday is it? Happy birthday! So what are you doing on your birthday?
Hello?
Yes.
Why did it?
Where?
I was far. Listen,
I call her from morning to work.
you know what I'm saying? You can't go to one. You can't just so. That's what you can't do.
Okay, I call her.
You turn it up?
I'm not turn up your car.
Silent. Let me see. You have to go in the settings. Menu, contact message, settings. There we go.
I should buy the car and somebody who to keep an hope. You can't just do that.
It's in settings, right?
You the man that announce upon the mic, say your birthday.
Yeah? Mom, call it now. I think I got it.
Give me a little Bluetooth.
No, it's not ringing yet.
No, you understand. You have to come.
Boy,
There you go.
you know, there you know.
You see? And you want to come on.
Hey, I think you have missed calls on there.
Yeah.
You wanna call him?
Oh, are you?
Look at it. Take out Miss Gary. You got it?
Let me see. You want to see who called you?
You can't take out the this guy, you can't look who call him.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you.
I didn't argue when I said
Miss. Okay. Mom, what's the last number? The 26 is yours, right? Okay. So 4, 6.
I said to man, I said to super scared. I said to the arthritis. She did.
It's the arthritis?
See
Look how it's well.
I said to man, zoom down. Sit there. I said to
Your foot tap me at top.
yes, sir, I said to
Your foot tap me at top.
Yes, I said to me,
Your son as well.
I said to this is the winter now.
Winter?
The cold time. I said to it's not next month now.
Yes.
Better man. I said to
Really?
God, better kill me, man. Yeah, man. Well, that's what you have beef for.
Doctor, can you not do it enough?
In some people, they tell me to go because you want drop down.
No, take it. Take it. Arthritis.
Terrible man. When you may I drop a gun now? Oh, look, sir. Thank you. Take us to some in my head, we can't move forward.
I think I jump up and lose it around now. Why?
You want to hit the person who do? You my fantastic.
Tell us to watch me, please.
No, watch my water. So, where's the now? Come make us some move, make it now.
What are you doing?
Time you come around and this around.
All right, bye, fine. Enjoy your birthday.
I know, well, mom, so we got something to take care of.
After I just turned on your value for you and tell you I was just your secretary with no pay.
Wednesday.
Secretary, no pay.
You come back, let me start again. Come back, I'm now. Come back, take a
Rum? We have rum?
Yeah, man, got in there.
So,
Mom, green back up on the table.
5 foot lives here?
I look at the back room, you see. Come.
5 foot drinking wine for his birthday. You don't even need the cup. What a blanca.
Wow.
would never vote. Then they know everything in here.
Whose goat is that?
People. Why put Miss Ford get a brave big game?
Why didn't you come? I saw your
I'm
son.
not going to light it over.
Yes, but we can come like that baby now.
Wednesday.
Where does your son live?
Papa Miss Ford, very nice.
Yeah,
Man.
man,
Nice.
Mom, where does 5 foot son live?
Tristan.
Oh. How much he wants? 10,000 for his birthday? Give him 20.
Yes, sir.
20.
The man was right.
You're a big man.
Okay, sorry. Maybe I want them.
I want if you come not free now, come in as of it.
All right.
Take your seat.
I want to do my man.
Oh, Mom, look in your pocket.
Whatever.
You have change in your pocket. That Mama gave you.
You take what you that now.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Ha! No, you tell Mom thank you. You see?
Yeah.
What a Blanca.
I do no bad man in a kind.
I never play now.
I just have to watch and play on my fan intern today. What intern? So they can't until a man.
No.
They roast there.
Yeah, man. Call me 6 times.
It's up. He
Mm-hmm.
called him more than 20 times.
Yeah, Mom
and
did.
then first they pass silent. But from when me they call him, I said, no man. Me come out and run in the look for you, me can't find you. See there?
Hey, phone.
Before the pass silent, say I'm going to hear it.
Mm-hmm.
But me come look for you to me not see you. Come
Yeah,
me,
what's
I
this
don't
one?
want if nothing do you.
I must be going to see you. I'm going to go.
You don't want if nothing do you. Because
Yeah.
you know, say, if the phone they ring the one side. Me they call me the one that say, what?
I can't say what I'm
Me tell
doing.
mama, I say, mama look at us to find food.
Nobody look, you hear nobody
I
come.
said, Junior look at us to find food.
No man. Right.
That dirty man pay 26, 30.
You pay your phone. That's a bit of a check.
I leave Sunday. All
Yeah,
right.
we second tomorrow.
All right, boss. All right, boss.
So when you go sleep with tonight for your birthday? I don't say today.
You know he said today was his birthday?
Today he says so, for today. So let's have the money for you tomorrow. What?
What a planka. So where's 5 foot's bicycle?
Same bicycle down the road there.
What'd he say?
So they go over tomorrow.
Oh, all right. Guys, 5 foot. 5 foot. He has a lot of missed calls.
So 5 foot and I'm going to come on please. Monday. No, Sunday.
5 foot doesn't stay in one place. Guys, 5 foot just
Every
came.
day in the hurry.
Every day he's in a hurry. He just told us that it was his birthday.
Why can't you
10 names in
Tell
one.
me why you legit.
He just came. Guys, my face is like swollen. It's so
But
weird.
the real face what this is. Some people fat in their face, some people fat in their belly.
I don't like it. And I didn't even get to do my lashes, guys. When I go up, I'm getting my lashes done.
Guys, you don't want to leave the house. House rat.
Y'all, I do not want to leave the house. Mom went in sport today. Me, I said, no ma'am, not today. Not today. So, 5 foot just came. 5 foot just came and said it's his birthday. It's not his birthday. It's his birthday is tomorrow. But collected the wine and, you know, his birthday money.
I drink as much wine.
And he drinks it like it's nothing.
We up, yeah, free up, yeah. Balenciaga, bomb destructor. Do them car, bush get lit up, yeah. Hey,